The automatic emergency braking (AEB) system can assist the driver when there is a risk of a forward collision with the vehicle ahead in the traveling lane. If a risk of a forward collision is detected, the system provides a warning to the driver by a flashing distance indicator light along with an audible alert. The AEB system uses a radar sensor located on the front of the vehicle to measure the distance to the vehicle ahead in the same lane, and operates at speeds above approximately 3 miles per hour. If the driver applies the brakes quickly after the warning, and the system detects that there is still the possibility of a forward collision, the system will automatically increase the braking force. If the driver does not take action, the automatic emergency braking system issues the second visual and audible warnings and also applies partial braking. If the risk of a collision with the vehicle ahead becomes imminent, the system applies harder braking automatically. Depending upon the circumstances of the situation, the system may not eliminate the possibility of a collision, but may reduce the severity of a collision. To enable or disable the system, press the Setting button on the control panel. Touch the Driver Assistance key. Touch the Emergency Assist key. Touch the Forward Emergency Braking key to toggle this system on or off. When the forward emergency braking system is turned off, the warning light illuminates. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.